Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, CB and Ham Radio Depot. Today we picked up this Yaesu FT 1000 MP Mark V and a FP 29 Yaesu power supply. And we've been sitting here playing with it a little bit, and there's a lot of really unique features about this radio that I personally really like. One thing is it's a 200 watt radio. Of course, everybody likes that part. But this radio pretty much comes with the standard Collins mechanical filter, and it has the two 2.6 sideband filters, which are programmable. You can go into the menu on the radio and change them, which is kind of nice. Right now I've got it on your basic sideband. Go over here to normal. You can go to your normal filtering, your normal bandwidth, and I've got it programmed to go to narrow one, which shortens the bandwidth. Of course, it has notch and shift and width and all those things. But one thing really nice about it is that I really like is it has adjustable APF here on the front, where you can adjust your different audio widths, and you have the noise reduction, the DSP, which works quite well. Different settings, however you like it to be. Plus, the thing that's really nice is the contour, and with contour you can choose your different. It has little pictures on the front of it that shows you the shaded portion shows you where you're not. So if you're on the left side, you're there, and if you're in the middle, you're there, or on the right side, you're there, which works quite well, and it makes it pretty pleasant to listen to. Anyway, we've tested it out on all the bands, and right now we've got it on 40 meters, and we just finished a QSO. So let's see what it's doing here when we're at the meter. Hello radio, right at 199 watts. So it's got full output. The feature of this radio is very, very vast. It has over 100 memories. And like I say, the thing that's really nice is the programmable. One thing I might add too is the noise blanker on this radio is also programmable. And it works very well because I have an intense amount of line noise here, and it works quite nicely. So anyway, I appreciate you all stopping by and taking a look. There's our link at the bottom, CB and Ham Radio Depot, and come see us. We're adding equipment on a daily basis, and we are there to let you all enjoy. Thank you.